What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a brand new video, and today we're going to be doing a speed test between the Moto G6 going up against the Huawei Mate SE. For the Moto G6 here, we have the Snapdragon 450. It's clocked at 1.8 gigahertz. It's an octa-core processor, has the Adreno 506 in it, has 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage. It's running Android 8.0 with security patch of July 1st, 2018. And the Huawei Mate SE is running the Kirin 650, which is clocked at 2.36 gigahertz, octa-core as well. Has the Mali T830 for the GPU, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage. It's also running Android 8.0 with security patch of September 1st, 2018. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the Geekbench scores in each device. So with the single core score, we get a 725 for the Moto G6 and a 30,413 for the multi-core score. And with the Huawei Mate SE, we get a 943 for the single core and a 3,754 for the multi-core. But if we go to another test here, we can see that sometimes the multi-core performance is pretty fast on the Moto G6. And we can also pull up a 2.2 benchmark. With the Moto G6 here, we got a 76,768, and for the Huawei Mate SE, we got an 88,960. The first application that we're going to open up here, let's do Play Store. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it looks to me like the Huawei took that one there. All right, next application that we're going to open up is YouTube. So 3, 2, 1. It looks like Huawei is not playing no games here. I do have what I call the knockout, where if a device wins like 6 or 7 in a row, I have to declare it a knockout. Next app we're going to open up is Twitter. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was a tie. All right, next application we're going to open up is Facebook. So 3, 2, 1. All right, that goes to the Huawei Mate SE as well. Ooh, somebody was struggling the G6 there. Next app we're going to do is SoundCloud. So 3, 2, 1. Yeah, man, that Kirin 650 is no joke, huh? So the next application we're going to open up is Instagram. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, that went to the Huawei Mate SE there. Next application we're going to open up is Twitch. So 3, 2, 1. Yep, that goes to the Huawei Mate SE. Next application we're going to open up is Spotify. So 3, 2, 1. So I say this here, man. If the Huawei Mate SE opens up one more application faster than the Moto G6, then we're gonna have to declare it a knockout, y'all. Just do Netflix, y'all. All right, so we're gonna open up Netflix. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that might have to go to the G6, y'all. Next application we're gonna do is Google Plus. So 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it kills me how it can win one and lose the other one. Like, I don't know. It's just kind of funny. So let's see which device actually holds the applications better in the background. So Play Store. Yeah, they both held it. YouTube, both had to reload. Twitter, they both had to reload that. Facebook, okay. What was that? What application was that? That was SoundCloud. Okay, yeah, the G6 had to reload, and so did the Mate SE. Spotify was held by both. Instagram was held by both phones, and Twitch held by both. Netflix held by both. Google Plus held by both. I'm gonna have to declare the winner to be the Huawei Mate SE. It performed a little bit faster, got higher numbers in the 2.2 benchmark, got higher numbers in the Geekbench test as well. So it has to go to the Mate SE. If you ever thought about getting one of the G6 here, it's still a pretty good phone to get. Side-by-side comparison with Speedtest here isn't really how you decide to get a phone. It's just more so of who is the faster phone, or what is the faster phone. That's all it is. But if you guys have anything you want to see in particular here with the Moto G6 or the Huawei Mate SE in a future video, let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to like the video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. And if you decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted in the future, you'll be notified of it immediately. But until then, my name is Max the Rock. Thank you for watching the video, and you have a good day. Deuces.